Hey guys, so I have some really cool clown combos to show you today. A couple of years ago, I got a Hurricane Spotnose clown from Brad Boa Reptiles, and I bred it to several of my clown combo females, and the first couple of clutches just hatched out and I wanted to show them with you. I was really impressed with them. Now the first clutch I didn't hit on great odds, but still, it's still a nice clutch, and I've got one really incredible baby in here. So this one's from a Hurricane Spotnose clown, bred to a pinstripe clown, so just a normal pinstripe clown. Okay, so then we have a regular pinstripe clown, which I really like pinstripe clowns a lot. They've got great colors, you know, obviously reduced pinstriping pattern, but just really nice looking overall. Okay, and then I have another pinstripe clown. So this clutch, I hit on a lot of pinstripes in it, but other things as well. Okay, and here's a spot nose clown. So those are all the single gene plus clowns. Okay, then I hit on a spot nose pinstripe clown and another one of those. So I'm pretty sure that these two, this one I know has spot nose in it, and I'm pretty sure this one does too. Okay, and then I hit on this guy. This is the Hurricane Spotnose Pinstripe Clown. Just completely blows that pinstripe pattern up. Gives it all these spots along the side with all the blushing, and also along the back. Just a really cool look. So yeah, that was actually the only one in the whole clutch that had Hurricane in it, but luckily I hit on all of the genes in the combo. Okay, so that was one of the pairings that I got. The second one, now these guys just shed. I was hoping that they were going to shed by the time I was ready to do this video. This one's from the same Hurricane Spotnose clown male, bred to a leopard clown female. Okay, so first, it's a nice leopard clown. Okay, the second, we got a Batman. So leopard spot nose clown. And another one of those. You can see the spot nose influence in this. If you look at just a leopard clown, you know, leopard obviously is a pretty striped snake with a little bit of spotting on the sides, and then putting the spot nose in that completely blows the pattern up. Okay, then we have a Hurricane clown. And then we combine all the genes into a Hurricane Batman. And I got super lucky, got another Hurricane Batman. So look how much busier the pattern is on those than on the normal Batmans. That Hurricane pattern just disrupts everything that it touches, so it just really adds a lot of pattern into this. So those are my first two Hurricane clown clutches, and hopefully I will be producing more. I know I bred that male to several different females this year, so I'm actually hoping to get some more different types of combos with them too. But really super impressed with what I've produced so far, and yeah, hopefully there's more to come. If you want to see what I have available, including some of these will be on the website, not right away, but once I get them feeding a few times, make sure to check out my website, royalconstrictordesigns.com. Also, please like and subscribe to this video. It really, really helps me out a lot if you subscribe. And you can also visit our Patreon page at patreon.com. Just do a quick search for Royal Constrictor Designs. We offer a lot of exclusive videos. You get to see the YouTube videos that I do a lot sooner than the general public does. And we also do a monthly Zoom call for the top tier. We actually just did one last night for an hour. It was a great time. Yeah, so definitely check that out as well. And I've got lots of stuff still hatching yet this year, so I'll be back very soon with some more cool stuff to show you.